This is my introduction, so it'll be a bit longer than my other videos. My name is J. Burton Hunter III, the J standing for John. I have a son, John. My father was John, and my great-grandpa was John, so I'm Bert. I have a habit that I will not be able to fix and probably will demonstrate in this video of punctuating things I say. That's because I've had a lifetime of dictation. My goal is to educate potential clients, to share particular videos with clients, although I have handouts and my book. Let me show you my book. I wrote this as a distillation of 1,400 blog pages, 400 articles. I have strong opinions. The 5 subjects that really come to mind are providing access to justice to the average person, not the pauper that can't afford anything. I did my due diligence for years providing pro bono services. Can't do much of that now because I do my very best to treat every client the best I can. That doesn't leave a lot to do for free, but I do try to stick with my clients. Part of that is the unbundling and packaging of legal services so that I don't always have to be your lawyer in the courtroom. I can give you information you need and help prepare you if you are going to have to be self-represented. I would lie if I didn't admit that a critical part of my practice is the contingent fee part. You see lots of lawyers advertising on billboards and on TV, especially the lawyers up and down the interstate. Some are excellent, some are not so great. Many will not meet you in person, you'll just see them on TV. We will meet regularly if I represent you, but I do have an able paralegal. I don't want to embarrass her by saying her name, but she's been with me for 20 years and does a great job. Our job is to educate you in those endeavors because there is great misconception. There's great misunderstanding of personal injury and the standards for being able to recover a claim and how you deal with insurance companies. I will not tell you that all insurance adjusters are out to trick and cheat you, but I will say that the environment of fairness and collegiality that I had when I got into this business is gone. You're often dealing with adjusters in Texas or other states with very, very strict laws concerning tort law and liability recoveries. But I also compete by not charging as high a contingent fee as many other attorneys that have to pay a larger staff or, let's face it, pay for that 6-figure advertising budget and the porch and the lifestyle that comes with that. I'm a small town attorney who has been a board member of the West Virginia Trial Lawyers Organization, known as the West Virginia Association for Justice, for 25 years. They've been kind enough to give me a couple of their major awards. I get to teach seminars on law office management up at the law school. I recently finished a 3-year stint as a board member for the West Virginia State Bar. I take my job seriously. I get up every day trying to make lives better. The other thing that is of interest to me is mediation and settlement negotiations. I'll spend a lot of time talking about that because, again, there are misunderstandings about mediation, especially among lawyers, my disagreement with legal aid, and my general disagreement with lawyers in other parts of the state and their judges. The final thing is collegiality and communication. Although I love the concepts of office management, efficiency, and other things which I share in my writings, but may or may not get into in this series. Thank you for bearing with me for 5 minutes.